This is my original ramp lowering modification with a brake disc. It worked well but was heavy, bulky and unsightly. This is the same angle and we are using 50mm tubing. We use a thin metal cutting disc. Yes, I should have gloves on. But I did have hearing protection, protective glasses and a surgery gown on. We cut 10 pieces of the 50mm tubing. The old heavy brake disc holds the tube down. The angles are cut to match the ramps. The grass didn't look too good afterwards. Here we break off the sharp and hot offcuts. The outer 4 pieces are cut so they look neater. I used a MIG welder to join the tubing to the ramps. If you do not have the skills to weld, just be good with the grinding disc. Here I joined flat steel to finish off the front edge. The rusty parts are sanded and then coated to prevent more rust. This coating can be used as a primer. Once dry, I paint the ramps. This cardboard is to prevent overspray. Here I apply some vinyl lettering. After this lettering is stuck on, there's a clear coat sprayed on. There's no risk of damaging my low S2000 body kit. The modification does not slip off the ramps. The welded modification is safer than using wood. All types of cars can now be serviced. Thanks for watching.